something. Hopefully it's decent. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. It's a Sauger. Fuck yeah, dude. It's a Sauger. Dude, I've never caught one of these. Corey's gonna be fucking jealous. Off the jig, dude, right in his mouth. Hell yeah, dude. Gotta prep this Sauger. Cool fish, real ruddy camouflage. But I gotta scale this sumbitch and throw him on the fire. Woo-wee! Ooh, that looks good. Dude, this fucking Sauger looks good as fuck. It's still a little hot. Just came off the fire. Look at that meat, dude. Cooked perfect. Seasoned up a little bit, not too much. That's good as fuck. That's good as fuck. That's what you want. That's exactly what you want right there, dude. Nice white meat. Just picking at that skin was crispy and fucking perfect, dude. Meat. God damn, that's good. There you go. Lake to plate. Lake to fire to plate. Honestly, that was the first time that was the first Sauger I ever caught. That was the first Sauger I ever eaten. Honestly, one of the best fucking fish I've ever eaten in my life. That was incredible. I don't even smoke. I feel like I need a cigarette because I just had sex. That was fucking great.